every one of us should apply AI to automate, to become an assistant to help us with that either 20%, 40%, or 50%. People ask me, Jensen, is AI going to take your job? And I tell them, absolutely not. The person who uses AI to automate that 20% or 50% is going to take your job. And
Welcome to Appteknow Careers. What is Appteknow? How can we help you? We are an IT training and placement institution. But wait, how are we different from others? Glad you asked. Training from IT companies. We provide training directly from IT companies, giving you real-time exposure and hands-on experience. AI for placement prep. Build resumes that beats ATS. Take suggestions from AI and build a strong resume for the particular job roles. Practice mock interviews with AI. Select a job and take the interview. Get a detailed feedback, know what recruiter's perspective based on your performance, take the tips suggested by the AI, and make improvements for the real interview. Get your experience certificates. You will be receiving 6 months of experience letter from IT companies, course completion certificates accepted globally, unlimited job openings from top MNCs. Apply for unlimited jobs until you get placed. Plus pay in EMIs for 6 months with insurance coverage. What are you waiting for? Join Appteknow Careers today.